Project management is an important and necessary for students to manage the projects in the future. This video is one of the requirements of a project management course in College of Engineering in Qassim University. This video will show the work on new building of Engineering College in Qassim University and the sports halls project. The new building of Engineering College is located at the west-south side of the Qassim University. The overall project cost is more than 200 million Saudi riyals and take more than 30 months to finish. Testing the soil is the beginning of the project. Soil borings for basement suitability determine the depth to the seasonal high groundwater. These tests allow builders to site basements to avoid water problems. They drill at a depth of 15 meters and take a sample every 1.5 meters. Construction surveying is to stake out reference points and markers that will guide the construction of new structures such as roads or buildings. These markers are usually staked out according to a suitable coordinate system selected for the project. Footings are almost always concrete. The footing is usually formed by concrete poured into a trench and constrained by some kind of forms. In some areas, steel reinforcing rods, also called rebars, are required in the footings. This makes the concrete much taller and less likely to fail.
Type foundation used in the College of Engineering project is combined footing. That because there are low bearing capacity, the columns is so close together that would make overlap.
Foundation designs are based on the assumed bearing capacity of the soil at the building site. In construction sites, where settlement is not a problem, shallow foundations provide the most economical foundation systems. Shallow foundation construction is typically utilized for most residential and light commercial raised floor building sites. The outer face of the concrete is coated by bitumen to protect it from corrosion, water, One of the facilities now being built is a sports hall. This project will be the outlet for students in the leisure. This project is being built by Alsamsam Contracting Company. This project will contain a billiard hall and tennis, and courts for basketball and volleyball and football. Also will contain a swimming pool. The building consists of 2 floors, and the project engineer in the project says that the project will not take long time to end. The work is being done as soon as possible to end up before the time specified for this project, and this requires a great effort. Swimming pool is designed with the latest technology and is implemented accurately. The length of the pool will be approximately 26 meters and width of 10 meters and a depth gradient between 1 meter to 3.5 meters. It will be surrounded by a beauty shape. The pool will be surrounded by a stand that enough for more than 1,000 people. They use a hollow core slab in the project. A hollow core slab, also known as a voided slab or hollow core plank, is a precast slab of pre-stressed concrete typically used in the construction of floors in multi-story apartment buildings. The slabs are typically 120 cm wide with standard thickness between 15 cm and 50 cm.
Hollow core, or we can say voided slab, there is many advantages. The main is large span and small weight and saving material and simple in protection.
Hollow core slabs are immune on fire with 2 levels of fire resistance. In regard to the sound insulation, hollow core slabs matching even the most rigorous standards. Hollow core slabs can hold up to 2,000 kg per meter square, typical for production plants and warehouses.
The types of columns used in the project are circular and rectangular. and the reinforcement for the circular column is spiral, and for the rectangular is tile.
The work of mechanics and electricity need more accuracy because there are many difficulties to modify if there is any errors in the implementation. The simplest form of truss is one single triangle. This type of truss is seen in framed roof consisting of rafters and a ceiling joist. Because of the stability of this shape and the methods of analysis used to calculate the forces within it, a truss composed entirely of triangles is known as a simple truss. This type of truss is used in the main lobby of the college to give aesthetic form. Just a few months to end the work of a new building of the Faculty of Engineering College, and the transmission to it would be a total leap in the development of education in the college through the availability of improved educational halls and laboratories with latest technology, which will provide a good learning environment.